There is always a cost to your investment decision. There are two types of investors that are solely focused on risk, and yet they are at the opposite ends of the spectrum. Let's take a closer look. According to Vanguard, from 1926 to 2019, a 100% fixed income portfolio would have generated an annual rate of return of 5.33%. A 100% equity portfolio would have generated a return annually of 10.29%. Now let's take a look at the cost to the fixed income investor first. A fixed income investor is 100% focused on risk, not losing money. Now in this scenario, assume you have $100,000 compounded annually over a 10-year period. You would have resulted in $159,000 at the end of that period. Now, if you were 100% invested in equities, that same $100,000 would be worth $241,000 after the 10-year period. That's a difference of $82,000. So the fixed income investor, by solely focusing on risk or avoiding all risk, the opportunity cost was 51% more money, or $82,000 in your pocket. Now, what about the equity investor? They're also 100% focused on risk. They're focused on taking the highest level of risk so that they can earn the highest level potential of money. But there is an emotional cost that goes with that. And there may also be, if your portfolio is not invested properly, actual losses that you may suffer. For example, the Great Recession, the financial crisis from October 2008 all the way to March 2009, the market, the S&P 500, fell a total of 46%. Now, if you're focused on dividend income, you would have been paid to wait and your portfolio probably would not have dropped nearly as much. Now, your portfolio would have bounced back and you would have made more money over time and you would have done very, very well. But there is an emotional cost that needs to be paid for putting up with the vagaries of the market. It's really important to understand what your risk profile is, what your comfort level is, but it's also important to understand what goal you're trying to achieve and what the cost is for the type of decisions that you make along the way. I'm Hilberry. I hope this has been helpful for you. Thank you so much for listening.